Hello everyone, I am Prakriti. You are the most welcome on a visit to my house garden. Let's have a look being close to nature. I want to disclose one secret my every plant wants to communicate. This is my small house. I have planted so many plants, trees on ground floor, first floor and on the roof. Hello, I am Ashok tree. I am 1 year old and I am Sadabahar. Daily I give so many beautiful white flowers. It is Sadabahar of pink color and this one is Ashok tree. This is Shami. This is very auspicious plant and this is Cypress. I need very light sunlight and less water. I am Chandni, double petal Chandni. Here Thuja plant. This is also called Morpankhi. And this one is Kaneer. Yellow flower. I give yellow flower. This one is Dracena. Leaves are green. And along with Dracena, this is Syngonium creeper. It grows so faster. Another variety of Dracena. See, so beautiful. Side line is yellow color. And I am sharing the same pot with another plant that is devil's backbone. Here are so many plants, actually baby plants, snake plants, devil backbone, spider plant. We are actually baby plants. When we will grow older, then Prakriti will give me another big pot. Devil's backbone, spider and kalanchoe. It is called ajuba also. Again devil's backbone, another variety, and then snake plant. Here it is Dracena of green color. I have two types of Dracena. This is another variety of Dracena. Side lines are yellow and it is Areca palm. 2 years ago it was so bushy and beautiful. I think due to overwatering the roots were rotten. Syngonium, another small variety of Syngonium. Dracena, red leaves, Syngonium. It is a creeper and it grows so fast. Aloe vera. See, in a small bottle I have planted a spider plant with kalanchoe. Again Dracena. It looks so beautiful. Just leaves are just like plastic. Here Syngonium I have planted in a water bottle. And here spider plants. Here are two varieties of spider plants. One is, see, in the middle green and side lines are white. And another variety of spider plant is in mid there is white and side green. It produces baby plants. See, you should water, especially spray water on its roots. It's a baby plant. It is lavender. So velvety leaf. It is succulent and this pot is prepared by me, made of plaster of Paris. Again red colored leaf of Dracena with Syngonium. In the same pot there is Tulsi. It grew on its own Song of India. It looks so beautiful. Leaves are just like plastic, so beautiful. Side lines are yellow, and I have two varieties of Dracena. Here, China's fan palm. China fan palm. Its growth is so slow, but leaves are so beautiful. Again, one more Dracena of red color leaf, and here it is ribbon plant. It is called ribbon plant. It is also called spider ivy, and in the same pot I have planted spider plant. Christmas tree. It is 2 year old. See how beautiful leaves are of Christmas tree. It also needs very less light. The most beautiful plant, it is ZZ plant, so hardy plant, and it is also called plywood plant. When you touch the leaf of ZZ plant, it just gives the feel of hardwood. That's why it is called plywood plant. You can just keep ZZ plant inside the room, outside the room. It needs less water, less care. It is also a air purifier. It is croton. In rainy season it was so bushy. I think that autumn season is going on. That's why the leaves are turning yellow and falling on. Another variety of croton. So many colorful leaves, yellow, white, magenta, maroon, twisted leaves. So beautiful. And the variety of croton with yellow shade on its leaf. It is Shatavari. Shatavari is a creeper vine and it has thorns. And the croton, so colorful. See, it is Victoria, a variety of Dracena, so beautiful. It looks amazing. This is called Victoria plant. It is only 2 months old. Here, Pandalus, so bushy the Pandalus is, and it produces so many baby plants from roadside. You can cut from root from here, and then you can plant and make another plant. Tulsi, and see rubber plant, so beautiful, of green color leaf. Rubber plant also has red color leaf, and so many varieties are there of rubber plant, but I have this one single variety, and I have 3 rubber plants. And behind this rubber plant, this is golden hedge, and this is aphagus. Many varieties are of aphagus, just like foxtail. So this one is aphagus. This is a snake plant, air purifier. It is very hardy plant. You can keep inside your room. You can just keep inside your room, outside room. Needs less water, less care. It is phoenix palm. I just purchased it from nursery. Last year I lost this phoenix palm due to, I think, overwatering. So that phoenix palm died. So that I purchased new one. This is succulent, and this succulent actually produced 3 baby plants, and I planted in different 3 plots. Caladium. This is caladium. Recently I purchased this one, and it is producing new shoots. Moringo. This is moringo. Actually its leaves are of whitish color, white color. In rainy season leaves were white, but I think in autumn season leaves are turning yellow. Mostly white leaves have been disappeared. It is curry patta, meetha neem. I have pruned it because it developed certain problem. It is developing new shoots. See, I think within few months it will be again so bushy. Aralia. Last year I had one more Aralia with white corner at the edge. It needs light shade, not bright sunlight. So it is and the variety of Dracaena of green color. Earlier I showed you Dracaena Song of India with yellow stripes on its edges. Bela. In summer and rainy season, Bela gave so many beautiful flowers with very beautiful sweet fragrance. Rio. This is Rio. It's a very beautiful plant. See its leaves, its foliage, front color is green and back side is purple. Here bush lily. It is a variety of Aphagus bush lily. Devil's backbone. It is of mostly two colors. One is plain simple green color and it is twisted leaf with white lines. And the variety of Dracaena. I have two varieties of Dracaena, one with yellow line and one with purple line. This is another variety of Aphagus. It is not a spider plant. Starlight ficus. This is starlight ficus. I have two varieties, one with white color and one with green color. Starlight ficus. Here it is my miniature rose plant. In summer and rainy season, it gave pink rose flowers of very small size, lemon sapling. I just grew it with seeds and curry patta. I also just propagated it from seeds. Aclifa. This is Aclifa. It is also of two colors. One is bronze color and one is green color. I have this one. I lost my bronze color Aclifa last year in summer. This is Aglaonema. It is also called Chinese evergreen. In the same pot, I have just planted Wandering Zoo. This is called Purple Prince also. Another variety of Dracaena and see croton. How bushy this croton is. Here Syngonium of white color. Recently I pruned it and see under Aglaonema Chinese evergreen, and in the same pot I have planted this purple heart. This is purple heart. Here Sadabahar of white flowers. And see water tank. I have used this water tank for the propagation of new baby plants. So I have used a water bottle, a small pot. This is water lily. See Kalanchoe mug. I have used Pepsi bottle, cold drink bottle. Here Kalanchoe, turtle wine. And see this is ginger plant. Rio and rubber plant. Here it is baby tear vine. It is bougainvillea, lavender and people. I am making it bonsai. Neem. I am making it also bonsai. That's why I have shifted it in bonsai small pot. It is called Chinese croton. See this monstera plant. So I have kept it inside water. So I am waiting for new roots. If it will develop from not, then I will give it a new bigger pot. Syngonium of white color. See leaf. I have propagated this leaf in water. It developed so many roots and then I just gave it soil. Spider plant, Kalanchoe, two types. Here Dieffenbachia. It needs very less light. It is indoor plant and air purifier also. This is Chinese evergreen Aglaonema and Kalanchoe. And this one is Areca palm. I have 3 Areca. Here I have just made terrarium. Yesterday I just made terrarium, and this is sauce bottle, and this is a different ecosystem. First layer is pebble gravel, second sand layer, third one is net, and then sand layer, and then charcoal, activated charcoal, then soil, and then you can plant the plant of your own choice. So you can close even this with tap. Here under glass of jar, and I have planted some plants inside this terrarium. So this was my experience. If it would be successful, then I would purchase a new big pot to make a new terrarium with succulents. See, I have some plants for water propagation, and this is money plant. I have just prepared this moss using this water bottle, discarded bottle, and jute rope. And now this water propagation, I have planted some saplings. See how this it develops roots, develops backbone, and see this syngonium developed roots, and it is purple heart. Soon after it will also develop root. Areca palm. And then on roof I have planted few plants. This is stem cane, it is also called Vajanti. And recently I planted this manihot, and it developed shoots. Ficus of green color, Chinese croton, aloe vera, and then pendulous. Along with pendulous I have planted Aparajita, and this lemon, euphorbia. This is called crown of thorn, always gives flowers. Guldavdi, and then Dracaena, again Tulsi, and then Thuja, Morpankhi, devil's backbone, and see jade plant. Recently I planted, and it developed shoots and roots also. Adenium. I have 2 adenium. Sadabahar, and then Cycas. So hardy plant. And it is agave. It loves sunlight, and the variety of agave. See my cactus. I have kept cactus in direct sunlight. And then my petunias. And then final, it is turtle vine. And see elephant ear. One big plant I have planted on roof, and then I forgot to show this elephant ear. And see, DIY idea, and then this one. So that's all. I hope you will enjoy my terrace garden. And really nature is great healer, and nature gives us real happiness. So bye bye. Thank you.